Good morning. It is, I don't even know what time, maybe like 10:30. We just had the furnace person here. We have to get a whole new furnace. I was really hoping it would be a repair. I was feeling very confident it would just be a repair. But they did this like scoping video so we could see what was going on. And it's like cracked on the inside. And it's 25 years old. So it's time. We had to do the air this year. So I'm not that surprised, but I guess that's what we're getting for Christmas is a new furnace. So we're waiting to hear from them when they can come and install that. But it'll be a couple more days. And with Christmas, it might even be next week. But since we have the fireplace and we have space heaters, we've already been doing this for almost 2 weeks. What's another week, Yeah, he felt really bad. He was like, I wish I had better news, but it's fine. This is part of being a homeowner, and it's why you need to have an emergency fund or like a home fund because this stuff isn't cheap. But if you save, every month for a few years, it's fine now. That's one thing when I bought this place 8 years ago. My dad told me you need to put $100 a month into an account because something big's going to happen a few years down the line and you're going to be happy you have that money. So we have the money, thankfully, it is. So I have a meeting to hop on to here in a little bit, and then my afternoon is clear. So I think I will go for a swim this afternoon. And I have a quick return, and I think that's it. So that's what we're going to do. Hello, friends. It is 1:45. I'm at the gym. I had a nice swim and a shower. Got some movement in. I have a return to Target and I need to go get some distilled water because I learned with the furnace that you have to use distilled water. Otherwise, your furnace filter gets super clogged up super fast from the minerals in the tap water. So, isn't that fun? Never been an issue my entire life, ever. And I grew up with humidifiers. It's an issue now. I don't know if I buy it, but because our furnace is not operating at 100%, we'll go get some distilled water. It's just annoying to have to buy water when I have it in a tap, Since I have to go to Target for a return, I'm just going to see if maybe they have distilled water and I can just do it all at the one store and then go home. Hello again. I'm home. Target did not have distilled water. It was all sold out. So then I had to go across the street to a grocery store, but it's fine. I got 8 gallons. That should last us a bit. Part of it is with the humidifiers, I need to not have them on full blast now so that the water and the steam or whatever lasts longer and I'm not just blowing through it. I had them at full blast and was refilling them morning and night. Like I was going for it. But it's so dry in here, especially when we're burning wood in the fireplace. It's so dry down here. Like we're shocking each other. You can just kind of feel it in your eyes and your nose when the air is dry. So anyway, we're going to try that out. I got the quote from the furnace people. It's going to be like basically $6,000. We are getting a $1,500 discount though, which we will gladly take because we bought a air through the same company. So we're getting some sort of like loyalty discount, whatever. And at this point, I don't even really feel like pricing out anything else or like asking another company. We're just going to go for it. So waiting to hear when they can install. My husband just left to go to the DMV. It is like, I don't know, 2:45. I was like, yeah, have fun with that. He has to get his stickers, his tabs renewed. For dinner tonight, we're going to do chicken and broccoli, kind of like a bake. I have Alfredo sauce that I'm going to use with it. I saw it on Instagram, and some seasoning and some cheese. So I think that'll be nice, kind of like a casserole, but lower carb. We've been eating a little carb heavy. My husband watches his blood sugar, so we need to kind of get back on track where he doesn't need to worry so much about some of the meals that we're having. But like we had pizza last night, so
That is what I know. I just have like one meeting tomorrow. It's basically break already, which is really, really nice. So, yeah, I'm gonna go check in with my email. I haven't seen anything come through for work, but I'm just gonna go check in on that and we'll go into the evening and afternoon. Look at this kitty.
Jeez.
Ooh. Hi, good morning. I am leaving the gym here. I have a Sephora return that I need to do. I think I'm just gonna go over and do that now so that when I'm home I can be in for the day. So yeah, it's prepaid, which is nice because at my post office anyway, there's just like a scanner and you can do it yourself. You don't have to get in line with everyone. So had a nice swim, and today is my last day of work before I'm off for a bit, and I'm excited to have some time off. I have one customer call today. I may need to take one or two calls next week, but it's not that big a deal. We'll just kind of see how things shake out. And we're getting a new furnace tomorrow, so I don't know exactly what time to expect them. I'd imagine like right away in the morning. Well, joke's on me because the machine thing was not working and the desk people aren't there till 9. But I saw them in there, and so I just stepped in to say, hey, FYI, your machine's not working, I'll come back later, but you might want to call someone. And two of the workers like yelled at me, we're not open. I'm like, I know, I'm not asking you to do anything. I said, I realize that. Just saying your machine's broken and you might want to call whoever fixes them. Well, we already know. Like, great. Why don't you put a sign on it that says out of order so that people stop bugging you? Like, my final words were, you don't have to be so harsh, sir. Like, what is, I get it that everybody has bad days at work, but like, the more you snip at people, the more people are going to snip back at you. Oh, that really was annoying to see. And I didn't even ask. So I just got some gas because there's a gas station nearby that I had good cash back on with Upside. And now I'm gonna head home, but some people, it's like 8:30 in the morning and you're already in a bad mood. I don't know how to tell you this, but it's gonna be a really long day. All right, I am officially done with my meetings, done with work. I'm going to lay down here and take a nap with Miki. My husband is kindly vacuuming downstairs. My dad is coming to stay with us for Christmas, so he'll be here, I think, 2 nights, something like that. So we're just doing a little bit of a deeper clean. So he's vacuuming and mopping downstairs. I'm gonna take a nap. I will work on cleaning a little bit this afternoon, and we have tomorrow the furnace is being installed, but I have nothing else to do. So I figured tomorrow I will wash sheets and clean the bathrooms and like do all of that stuff. My dad will be here Christmas Day. So I also probably won't be vlogging a ton when he's here. Just because I want to enjoy spending time with him. And so I'll show you little clips, but that bit from Christmas might be a shorter vlog. But anyway, yeah, Miki and I are just tucked in and gonna go ahead and shut our eyes.
Miko's already done that. I gotta catch up. Hello. We need to play catch up on my advent calendar. So we have the 22nd and the 23rd to do. So this is the 22nd. Super cute. Oh, Mighty Patch. There's 6 in here. I like these. Happy to have more. Yeah, the invisible kind, which is always good. So we'll take that. And then let's see here, day 23. It's got a mascara wand on it. And Patchology Lip Service Gloss and Balm. Okay, gloss to balm treatment. Let's see. Okay, it's a pretty color. What is this gonna smell like, we think? Minty. I will always take a lip balm. That's great. All right, it is 5:30. My husband is out grilling some pork chops for us for dinner, and we're gonna settle in, watch a show. The furnace people are coming tomorrow between 7:30 and 8:30 in the morning, so I need to be up and like a little bit put together for welcoming them in to do the work.
Oh, what the find out how to turn flea market
Good morning. It is just past 7. The furnace people will be here within the next hour and a half. So I'm up, got my coffee. I'm gonna do some editing and see whenever they get here. But yeah, I just cleaned out the like area that they'll be working in. It's also our laundry room. So got everything out of there so that, I mean, it's a tight space anyway, but the fewer things, the better, you know.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away. I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Hi friends! So our furnace is officially installed, so that's good. Everything's back to normal. It's so much quieter than our old one too. I just woke up from a nap, which was really nice, and we need to do the last day of our advent calendar. So day 24 and Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. Let's see here, this papaya and grapefruit infused formula. I wonder what this smells like then. Oh, fruity. It smells like bananas. Okay, I will use this. I mean, look, I use cleanser every day. I can use that up. But that is the end of the box. So I'll put this down with our other boxes. We now will have fires for fun and for the aesthetic, not so much to actually heat the house. So I cleaned the spare bedroom. There's fresh sheets and everything. I need to get some boxes out of here. I need to wash towels. I need to change the sheets on our bed. So there's a few more things I need to do, but nothing major. Feeling pretty well put together.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Okay, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys have a great Christmas if you celebrate, and I will see you soon in the next one. But being that we're going to be with family, probably be a shorter vlog with less like check-ins like this, more just little clips. So hope you still enjoy that, and I'll see you soon.